Yes, nakarating na sa atin yung report about ng kaltas, na inunan yung pera. But first, let me clarify that in the distribution of AIX, kung 5,000 ang nakalagay sa payroll, 5,000 talaga ang matatanggap. Kung saan at kailan nangyari ang kaltas, di yan malalaman ni DSWD until such time we receive a complaint. And so, there was that complaint, and it was posted and we saw it, and so immediately when we learned about it last April 7, we deployed a team to investigate. So ang dami nilang natanong, yung direct recipient, I think some officials and other people there, and yes, may nagsabi na may kaltas. Oo, pero yun ang gusto kong makita sa report because I want to see proof of the investigation na meron nga talagang kaltas. Pero yun ang initial findings nila na meron. Unfortunately, we have yet to receive evidence. Kasi kung report ra istorya ra tanan, unsa may basihan sa DSWD sa among next steps. So yeah, but there was already that report. And we are expected to complete the report today.
So there will be updates na after?
There will be updates when we will be able to finish the report today, which the Secretary is expecting to receive.
So alam na po ni Secretary ito?
Yes, the Secretary knows about this, and as always, his instruction to all of us regional directors is we will not tolerate any wrongdoings in all of our programs. So kaya gusto namin may ebidensya.
If proven, RD, na talagang may kaltas na nangyari from the officials na andun sa Olango Island?
There have been precedents. Like there was a region na nangyari ito, na-investigate, may ebidensya. The DSWD filed a case against those who perpetrated.